Hi, I'm Diana, the artist behind My McDoodles. I'd like to invite you to take my newest Skillshare class, creating a whimsical piece of lettering art. This 1-hour workshop is split into bite-sized portions so you can watch and follow along as your schedule allows. When you enroll in this workshop, you'll have access to a free color palette and a bundle of custom brushes. This bundle includes a sketching pencil, a smooth and chalky pastel, some fun inky liners, a brush that adds a little extra texture, lettering brushes, several watercolor brushes, a really fun and festive glitter brush, paint splatters, a brush to create a watercolor paper texture, and a custom color palette. This workshop is free to current Skillshare members. If you're not a member, you can get 2 months completely free using the link in my description. See you there!